Welcome. In this video we're gonna learn about the logical operators, and we're gonna learn about three logical operators, and which they are and, or, and logical operator not. We're gonna start by the and operator. So and is gonna be true when we have the, let's make a schedule for it. So when we have the first value is true and the second value is true, then and is gonna be true. And if we have the first value true and the second value false, then it's gonna give us false. So the basically the way it works, the first element, the first is the condition, and the second condition, they must both be true in order for the and to be true. So if we had the first condition false and the second condition true, then it's going to give us false. Even if we had the first condition false and the second condition also false, then it's going to give us false. This is the way the and operator works. No worries, guys. We're going to explain what we mean by that. Just keep in mind that and is true only when both conditions are true. In the other hand, we have the or operator, and in that case, if we have the condition 1, which is true, and the condition 2, so this is condition 1 and this is condition 2, and if the both condition true, then our or statement is true. But if we have only one condition true, then it's gonna give us true. So it says, okay, as long as you have just one statement true, then I'm gonna give you true. So over here, if we have the false and true, then it's gonna give us true. But if we have false and false, then this time it says, sorry, I have to give you false. So this is the way it works. So we have the and operator and the or operator. Let's give a few examples for them, and before explaining the logical not operator. So let's suppose I had an integer named x, and I had another integer 8. So if I'm gonna ask from the user, enter your favorite number, and then we're gonna, so the favorite number is gonna assign for x, and then after that we're gonna say enter your age, and let's do the same over here. Say in the age. After that, we're gonna say, okay, if the user enters the x as equals 7, and the way we're gonna write the and is you write it this way. As you guys see, if I want to write the and, instead of writing and, we're gonna say write it this way. So we're gonna say if this condition true and the age 17, then we want you to print congra and then we're gonna say you won. So basically just a simple program in which if the user enters x as 7 and his age is 17, then we're gonna say congratulations, you won. Else we're gonna say see out, sorry, you did not win. and we're gonna end it over here. So the way the thing is gonna work, this is the AND operator, as I told you guys. This is the way AND operator works, or written. So it's gonna say if this condition true and this condition true, then I'm gonna print that. But let's suppose we had this condition true, but this condition is false, then it's gonna call this one because it's gonna consider it as false. If this condition is true and this condition is false, then our condition complete the condition is false. But if we had this true and this false, we would consider it as a false, and then we're gonna call the else. Even if we both are false, then of course the statement over the condition over here is false. So let's run it and see what happens. And we need to close this one. We forgot to do that. So yeah, let's run it and see what's happened. It says error, and it says oh yeah, we forgot the original parentheses for the x or f. So this one is for the original if, and these are for our condition. So this is parenthesis for the first condition, and this parenthesis for the second condition. So let's run it and see what's gonna happen. It's gonna say enter your favorite number. So if I enter 6, and it's gonna say enter your 8, and I enter 17, it's gonna say sorry, you didn't win. Even though the condition age is true, but the first condition is not true, so then the whole statement is not true. Or this time let's enter this right number, which is 7, but enter different age, 20, then say sorry, you didn't win. Let's enter both wrong. Let's enter the age 20, the number is 29, and the age is 23, then it's okay, sorry, you didn't win. So now what we're gonna do is enter both conditions as true. So we're gonna enter x7 and the age 17. It's gonna say congratulations, you won. So this is the way AND operator works. It's gonna say the AND operator works is only the AND operators returns true only if both are true. And this is the way you're gonna write the AND operator. And yeah, in the next video I'm gonna explain the OR operator. So thank you for watching this video.